Manipuri cinema ase lamdam asigi cultural value manghandana matamga chunaba maongda puthokpa awangba thaki cinema ni haina Manipuri Governor Ajay Kumar Balana singthakhrei Manipuri State Film Development Society na sinduna Palace Compound leiba MSFDS auditorium da pangthokhiba taraga thare suba Manipuri State Film Awards 2025 lanthokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibane award lanthokpagi thoram aduga mari lengana mahakna hai cinema haibasi khunai amage sakyeng mingshal ne Tongan Furup Singi traditional value, aspiration amadi struggle pumnamak wari paring amo oina uthokpagi medium ase cinema na oide. Aikhoigi haurakfam kadaidagino hauzik oiriba punsi mahing amade tungi punsida kari oirakpa yai haibadu cinema na miyamna utle. Manipuri cinema yengbada Manipurgi puwari nat amadi tradition value mayek sengna uba phange. Manipuri cinema na Manipuri cultural memory manghandana yoktuna thambagi yam effective oiba pambai amo oide. Nakal amarom de yengluragade cinema haibase artistic expression amo oibita natana social document amasu oide cinema na thamoi gi ihulda khongjal pe karigumba matamda wahangsu hanghalle paukhum pise Manipur gi film artist sing filmmaker sing ase cinema da thawai lupsin jabagi mami mayek sing na tai masimakna Manipuri cinema ase malim gi platform kaya da fauba miyamna masak khangna ba pamna ba hengalali haina mahangna apenba phongdokhe
Cinema is truly a collective art. I take this opportunity to acknowledge the contributions of directors, actors, writers, cinematographers, editors, musicians, technicians, critics, authors, and all those who work behind the scenes. Every film is shaped by many creative minds, and every contribution adds meaning and strength to the final work. I would also like to encourage young and emerging filmmakers to continue telling stories rooted in local experience, cultural heritage, and social reality, while also exploring new forms of storytelling and cinematic expression. The future of Manipuri cinema depends on new voices, new ideas, and the courage to experiment.
Thauram Mapugi Warol Piraduna, Manipuri Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana Hai, Manipuri cinema Matau Karam Haurakhe, Housing the Karamba State Lay Hibase, Yam the Toin Hena Kanga Wafam Ne, Manipuri film industry ase award pay award pangaktane, Adobo Manipuri film maker singna challenges sing ado, opportunity the ontokuna lamdam asigi traditional amade cultural value ngakna, film puthokna bohonariba ase thaganingai ne, Handak Manipuri cinema. Bung lemjoningai oiraba BAFTA Award for Best Children's and Family Film gi title phangnakiba asimak India gi puwari da ahan bane film asigi jamak Manipuri among oina yamna chawthokchaningai oi haina mangna haike
film puthokirbe singna writer singna director singna Manipuri culture si Manipuri culture si ngakna phise sakcha dagi holaga ngakpi dana cinema si traditional form da pusanda pa photo be be ta ena thagat pa pungduk sari loinana asuk sotana leiba Manipur cinema asida ikui dana British Academy Film Award bung haiba cinema aduna with children and family award with 79 British Academy Award phangdana si Manipur amadi Bharat ki apumbagi mai koraki that was the first time in the history of India haiba Kenosida film festival sida iya nami award phangase masi India gi wena Manipur gi dung bapung we cinema aduni
Ngasi lanthokhiba taragatare suba Manipur State Film Awards lisingani kunmanga gi thoram aduda award phangkraba singe manungda MSFDS Lifetime Achievement Award ta Dr. Arambam Lokendra Best Feature Film da Langkoi Best Director da Manoranjan Nongjam Best Actor Male da Suras Ngasipam Best Actor Female da Narmada Sawaizam Best Actor in Supporting Role Male da G. Boni Sharma Best Actor in Supporting Role Female da Maya Chaudhuri Best Child Artist da Alka Thongham Best Music Director Songs da Tony Aibam Best Playback Singer Male da Arvind Soibam Best Playback Singer Female da Pusparani Huidrom Best Film Critic da Asangbam Netrajit Yauri